Why does your scanner show the P2431 engine code? What does it mean? P2431 is a diagnostic trouble code for air system airflow or pressure sensor circuit range or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer, PCM or ECM, has detected an issue with the sensor that monitors the airflow and pressure within the secondary air injection system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Secondary air injection pump, one-way check valve, air control solenoid valve. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Impala and Volkswagen Jetta models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.